Lots of fragrances here. Okay. Yeah.
I know.
Can't follow. Check this out, right? What do you go cruise? Just crazy. Yeah, guys, so we're still on the way to Georgetown from Berbice. Give you a little peek here and there. Long journey. Oh, it's coming up here. So where we are now, we are Velodrome. Entering Velodrome. Police on the road. There, see? We're driving in Guyana. We're driving in Guyana and coming vehicle give you a flash for the headlight. Means police there ahead. Check post there ahead. Price is Right supermarket. Price is Right is Scalpa. I see. Well, I will get expensive. Fireball.
Pumpkin fries. Chicken popcorn.
Special.
All you want. Brandy.
Sausage. Veggie fish stick.
16 grams of protein. Most one. 6
That's the juices. Yeah. Go ahead. Hmm?
You just share.
Thank you. Thank
See the
you.
moment with me.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too, sir.
So I get an exception there. That's the maid. Mom probably want to know if we're taking prices of competition. What should we? Thank you. Favorite thing by Milo. 1.8 kg. Unit for 145 case. 18,500. Case is 6 pieces. Garbanzo. Alright, we done shop. Lots of fragrances here.
Daisy.
Daisy, another one.
Daisy, they got Gucci up there.
Everything, Guyana, everything, you see? Fairly Allan. Fairly Allan from there.
Like I guess on the bottom. Elizabeth Hardy Red Bull.
Teka lang, makaldo. I think it's somewhere right downside. Yeah.
Shopping there,
I
Allan.
think it's somewhere inside somewhere.
Inside, I go in.
Yeah, I think
You
so.
got today or wrong shop there? Right hand over?
I don't know exactly which side, you know, but we see if you got for the map here and place to go in there. You got both sides for going, so we don't know which side. I think he said when you come to the right hand side, maybe on this side.
Well, left hand over.
Yeah. You got somebody?
The name?
Yeah, Allan Archibald Rum Shop. Allan Rum Shop.
Allan?
Yeah. I don't think it's there anymore, but
Don't you go get the name now?
Allan, you got sa Allan.
Allan Rum Shop.
What's he down in Arab? What's he down in Allan?
Did we not roll shower to the marathon to supermarket? What's in it?
Excuse me. Fresher.
Hello, hi, morning.
Nada, I'm find out something.
No, we just want to find out something. You know if Rum Shop used to name Allan Rum Shop around here? Rum Shop. It's a while ago. Okay. All right, thanks.
Allan, look for rum shop. Allan, rum shop. Allan. Long ago.
This session, no.
Alright. You sure, eh?
Hey, Fyrish.
No, but like this one, old rum shop in there.
Yeah, long ago. Allan Archibald. Okay. Yeah. Oh, after this rum shop. Okay, all right.
Yeah,
No, she said there's a place after here. Used to be Allan.
Yeah, you see what happened here.
She don't know if there was a rum shop, but she said it used to be a rum shop.
That rum shop in there, I tell her last night. A rum shop in there long years ago. And the rum shop closed down.
So you gotta be this one then.
Yeah, so, he's
Where?
in the rum shop in there.
This cream milling, eh? Yes. Yes. This is probably what we're looking for. Yeah.
Talk about tell about roads, like you see, no. The rainfall is a big problem on roads. And I get fish and stuff.
Alright guys, so that's it for the Fyrish video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like, comment, subscribe, share the video.